We're getting ready to do an evening boat tour. A little bit of a trail walking here to get to the dinner site. Couldn't pick a better place to have dinner. We're on Elk Island just after having some dinner. Wonderful dinner. Look at this view. We're here at Coulter Bay to do some kayaking today, right out there. The peaks are incredible here at Grand Teton. Look at those peaks. To the peak! That's the boat we took for the dinner cruise. Right now they're coming back from a breakfast cruise. We're here near one of the islands, near the shore, hoping to spot some wildlife, but it doesn't look like it's gonna happen. Taking a shore break here.
I've heard there's some that are
I lost my paddle here.
Oh, he's kidding.
It's better to film it than to go get it.